Good morning, everybody. It's my Saturday, and I'm waking up to open day 2 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas. And the video is not out on YouTube yet. You can only see it on the Facebook page for now. I'm sure they'll put it out there, but we're going to open it with her. Every morning. And it's my Saturday, and I don't get dressed early on Saturday. So, let's get into it. Let's watch this video and see what we got for today. Oh, mercy. Day 2.
So are you ready to look in the box and see what day 2 is? I am. I'm super excited about it. So let's look in here and see if we can find where it is.
Here's the box.
And what we got here. Nope. Okay.
Okay.
Here's day 2, right?
Here's day 2.
All right. Let's see what's inside there.
Christmas morning.
I do love these bags. Okay. We've got some So Light fusible interfacing. We have a pattern and we have a little first of all, glitter. It's the Snuggly Christmas sweater template. It's so cute. And you can use it as an ornament. You can use it to make a myriad of things. But first and foremost, Christmas sweaters. Look at Christmas sweaters, Christmas sweaters. So you also get a pattern. And the pattern is to make this Snuggly sweater wall hanging right here. And I want to show you this. So look at this little project. Look at these little sweaters.
I might can do that.
So one of the things that's fun about this template is that because it is semi-see-through, you can fussy cut it. So you can put it right on your fabric. And of course we have this great fabric pack that goes with this template particularly. And you can make, you know, as many sweaters as you want. And you can center it right up and fussy cut them and iron them on and stitch around them. Then you can embellish them. And I mean, I found some of these little balls, and I have little buttons and little jewels. I mean, whatever you can find, it's going to be so cute. I just love this little project. It's very, very fun. So you could also use this as a coaster. You could use this as an ornament, hang on the tree. Even this by itself would be an ornament. So now that you know all about what's in day 2, let's put this back in the bag. And I am going to hand this off to my elf so that she can show you exactly how to make this. Everything you need to know. All right, we'll see you later.
So, that tutorial comes with a box. I'm not sure if I should show that or not. But, I mean, you're gonna have to have the fabric, you're gonna have to have the template, and they give you the fusible interfacing. Oh my gosh. I am loving the box. I am loving the box. I'm sure you can get this on their website. Snuggly sweater wall hanging. I could do this and I could put it up on my wall over there or in the living room. Oh, this is nice. So far, day 2. Charm pack, template, pattern, and sewable interfacing. So Light fusible. Well, I have to say, this box is turning out okay already. It's turning out awesome already. So, I am so super happy I got it this year, because it's looking great so far. So, we'll see y'all tomorrow. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a great day. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Kwanzaa. What is it? No, is that right? I'm not sure. But happy holidays to whatever you celebrate. And I'm super happy I got this box. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.